So dear students, today we are on the topic of median and altitude, which is the first exercise of your triangle and its property chapter. Okay, the exercise is very short and it's basically on two things. What is altitude? What is median? So let me tell you, yesterday only I have told you what is altitude in brief, but today again, once again I am repeating it. Median and altitude. सबसे पहले I'm taking the topic altitude. Remember, altitude and median both are the component of a triangle only. They are the parts of triangle. ठीक है? Now, what is the difference between altitude and triangle? Always remember, altitude के we have different names. I have already told you. We call it perpendicular height also. Okay, perpendicular height I said, and one more name of this was height of triangle. Okay, we call it height of triangle also. Then I told you the example of tent. Okay, yesterday only I have informed you that what is the example of real life example of this perpendicular, or you can call it altitude of a triangle. So remember, it is a line segment, beta. Suppose I am drawing a triangle. It is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Now you are knowing, I am telling here it is drawn from vertex to opposite side. So if we have three vertices, so there will be three altitudes also, because हर एक vertices से आप लेकर के चलोगे. Then I told you that what is the main thing of related to altitude is it always makes 90-degree angle with opposite side. This is the main concept, remember. Because perpendicular word जब भी आता है ना बेटा, remember that goes you 90. That gives you always 90. ठीक है? So it means altitude is a line segment. Again telling you, altitude is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex. Now any one of the vertex we can take, or we can also take all the three vertex. ठीक है? So any one of the vertex when you take, it is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. To the opposite side. ठीक है? And always makes a 90-degree angle with the side. ठीक है? Now see this. It is making 90-degree angle. Now you can give the name. So I am giving the name as D point. जहां पर वो cut कर रहा है, I am giving the point num D. Now this is first altitude. In this triangle, this is the first altitude. Now we can also draw the second altitude also, which can be drawn from the vertex B. See this now. This is the opposite side. This is studied by us yesterday only. That opposite sides क्या होती हैं? So ये वाली हो गई opposite side. ये इधर जाकर मिली. ये हो गया आपके पास एक और point का नाम ले लिया आपने E. So this is second altitude. Now moving on to the third altitude, which will be drawn from the vertices. Which vertices? Can you tell me which vertex is left? Which vertex is C is left? Yes. So now it will be drawn from C. And again making 90-degree angle. Now we have given the name A, B, C, D, E. So the last name I am giving as F. So this is all about altitude. Again repeating what is the, because you should learn the definition now. Altitude is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side and making the 90-degree angle with the line. Okay? Or once again repeating it to you. Altitude is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side and making the 90-degree angle with the opposite side. Okay, this is all about altitude. Now what, this is taught by me yesterday only. Yes. So now we are discussing about the second topic, that is median. अब आप नाम से ही अगर आप मीडियन को पढ़ोगे बेटा, मीडियन वर्ड अगर आप प्रोनाउंस करते हो, so you get the word mid, है ना, mid और mid. ठीक है, MED बोल सकते हो, या आपने मन में प्रोनाउंस करके समझो mid. Mid का मतलब होता है बीच वाला, middle. ठीक है, बीच वाला. So बीच वाला you can call it exactly in between. Exactly in between means two equal parts. ठीक है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट अपने मन में याद रखिए. मिडिल में होने का मतलब ये होता है कि इधर से भी सेम डिस्टेंस है, उस तरफ से भी सेम डिस्टेंस है. इट मींस इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो रिमेंबर, मीडियन वर्ड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द वर्ड मिड. ठीक है, मिड पॉइंट. मिड पॉइंट यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, MID, mid point. Okay, now I am telling you, in a triangle, again the same thing comes. I am giving the name ABC only. Now always remember, a median is a line segment. Altitude भी एक line segment था, median भी एक line segment ही है. ठीक है, median is also a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. बिल्कुल सेम वही डेफिनेशन जो हमने एल्टीट्यूड में पढ़ी, सिर्फ 90 डिग्री को यहाँ से हटा दो. ठीक है, अगेन रिपीटिंग, मीडियन इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट व्हिच इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स टू द ऑपोजिट साइड, but it is not necessary to make 90 degree. But what is the necessary point is that it divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Okay, this is only the main point related to median. It is also a line segment. It is also drawn from vertex to opposite side. But the main thing is that it divides the opposite side into two equal parts. I hope it is clear. Now see this. This is the median for BC. This is the median for AC. And this is the median for AB. Tell me now, have you understood or not? So students, the similarity between median and altitude is that they are line segment. First thing. Second point is that they are drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. This is similarity between them. Okay. Now only one difference, that altitude makes 90 degree angle with the opposite side and median divides into two equal parts to the opposite side. This is only the difference. Okay. I hope it is clear to all the students. Please respond yes or no.